How to set up TP Link RE205 range extender using web interface. Step 1. Plug in your extender to a power outlet next to your router. All indicators light up, then turn off, and then the power indicator starts blinking. You need to wait until it stops blinking and starts glowing solid blue. Step 2. Connect to the extender setup network. Open Wi-Fi settings on your computer. Open Wi-Fi network list. And find the network which is named TP Link Extender. Click on that, click Connect, and wait for connection. Step 3. Once connected, open a web browser, and in the search bar type in tplinkrepeater.net. Then hit Enter on your keyboard. It takes you to the web interface, and first you need to create your device administrator password to manage the extender from different web interfaces and mobile applications. Enter a new password. Confirm your password in the lower field. And click Login. You can save your password to your browser or click Note Now. Step 4. Set up the extender's network. First, select 2.4 GHz network you wish to extend. Enter your current Wi-Fi password. Click Next. Now select 5 GHz network you wish to extend, and once again enter your password. And click Next. Check your passwords, click Confirm. Now you can rename your network or stick with defaults, and click Next. Once you see this screen, you can relocate your extender. Follow the instructions on the screen and make sure the signal indicator next to power is solid blue. If it's red, you need to move your extender closer to your router. Once done, hit the Done button in the application. Next, connect your computer to the extended network. Open Wi-Fi settings. Open Network list. Find your extended network and connect to 2.4G or 5G network. Click Connect. Enter the same password as your main router's one. Click Next. Now go back to the web interface, click I have connected to the extended network, and finish. Now enter your administrator password. Click Login. Click Save or Not Now, and manage your extender from the web interface. Thanks for watching.